Welcome back to cryptogains for another video. I want to show you a powerful indicator for the Bitcoin price that's going to blow your mind away. Which one am I talking about? I'm talking about an indicator called the Chandy Crow Stop. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Chandy Crow, or is it Shande? Shand. I'm going to say Chandy Crow Stop. This was designed for stop losses, for people that take long and short positions in the market. But take a look at how powerful this indicator is when you use it on Bitcoin's monthly time frame. This blew my mind. Stick around for this one. Drop that like, give me a subscribe if you're interested. Let's take a look at this. You can see two lines. We've got an orange line, which is the top line, and a bluish line at the bottom, right? What can we see straight around the monthly time frame? We can see, and you know, it usually looks for trends, like maybe a reversal in the trends when you're using your stop loss and, you know, when to take profit kind of thing, right? But this is what we're going to use it for. We're going to use it for calling massive rallies and seeing exactly where the bottom was, or giving you an opportunity to buy the bottom. So if we jump back to 2015 cycle, look, 2014, 2015, we had a massive rally up. Notice when it rallied, it stuck to this orange line like it was a magnet. As soon as it hit it, it was magnetized. It came up and it just stuck to it until it peaked out. Once it peaked out, we saw the price of Bitcoin start falling down. It touched this blue line, and once it touched this blue line, this is important, guys. Once it touched this blue line, it fell. Let's have a quick look. It fell 48%, right? Then take a look what happened. It formed this base right here for Bitcoin. You can see for many months, because this is on the monthly time frame. So each candle is 1 month's worth of action. It formed this base, and when it broke out of this blue line, because you can see here, it tried to break up, couldn't do it, it resisted, got rejected, and it fell back down again. We saw a double bottom. And when it finally broke out, I'm going to show you right here. When we finally broke out, we saw price action go up, and as soon as it touched this green line, or maybe the next candle in front of it, once we saw a candle print in front of it or touch it, we saw it flipping follow this like a magnet. And it was stuck to this like an absolute magnet all the way through this bull cycle. You can see it, look, just stuck to it like a magnet until it peaked out right at the top, and then it cooled off, and then, you know, you see it fall back down and come back to this blue line. And what did it do in the past? I said when it touched this blue line, it fell down 48%. This one fell 40%, right? So let's take a look again. Right, we see this 2018 cycle through 2019. We come up here, look, we couldn't break above this orange line. So I suppose in a sense what we are looking for then is one candle, which would be this one here, to break above this orangey yellow line. Once it breaks above, we'll call it orange. Once you break above this sort of like a light orange line, that's the confirmation that it's ready to stick to this and start rallying, right? So let's go forward again. You can see here 2018s, we kept getting rejection off it. We just couldn't break above. It's really powerful when you use this like this on the monthly time frame. Look, kept rejecting, rejection. And once it hit this blue line, what did it do? From this blue line, it fell down about 34%. So far we know that every time it's touched this blue line, if it's gone through it, it's fell at least 34 to 48% drop, right? But look what happened. Recovery. Notice though, in this section here, when we had this 19 event, we never saw the candle go below, close below. So that was your bottom. You know, fall up, fall down, look, low, higher low, right? And you can see it held support right here. It held support just above the blue line, printing a new candle in front of it as well, above it going forward, right? So we saw that. We then saw price action go up. This would have been our candle to confirm that we're coming above this orange line here. You see it? Quickly, where's my little circle thing? I used to have a little circle thing. So then we had this candle here. Oh, let me move it over a bit. This candle here that represented that we were above this orange line. Sorry, delete it like this. And then, yeah, we can see what happens with the price. Price action explodes, and then you just see it stick to this orange line like a magnet until it peaks off at the top, and then it fell down. We had a double top, and then it fell back down. Once we touched this blue line, it fell down a massive, let's have a look, 49%. right? So for those that are saying we're still in a bear market, we've already seen a massive crash similar to what we saw in the last past cycles. And also notice when we was at the bottom of the markets in the past, we were below this blue line here. Look, below it here. And if you have a look here, we were below it here. Yes, we rallied up, but when we fell back down, we printed a candle above. So we stayed above this blue line all through the bull cycle. So when you take a look today, let's have a good look at where we are today. You can see here we're still above this blue line. So yeah, we see prices falling, prices crashing and stuff. But Bitcoin could probably come down to this blue line. Look, right down here at $22,500 and still be in a bull trend. Matter of fact, it could pierce that. What, 40%? Let me just do it from the blue line. If it was to pierce from this blue line down about 40%, it probably could come... it really could probably come down to about $14,000-15,000 and then come straight back up and then, you know, hold a candle above this blue line. I'm going to watch this because it's a new indicator that I haven't really used, and I do find it very interesting, very powerful, and I saw this sort of repeating pattern in the past. Will it go down there? It's not very likely it would, but, you know, if anything, if you get any time to see price action below this blue line in the past, it's just always been a phenomenal buy. Here, even when you saw this, you know, quick dip down here, it was a phenomenal buy, because had you bought down there on that 19 event, look, $3,900, you bought it, bang, you would have sold it right up here, about $64,000, $65,000. So yeah, what do you think of this? Was this interesting to you? Drop that like, give me a subscribe. Should I bring more on this? Should I keep sharing this to you if you want to see what's going to happen? Because at some point, then in the future, if we're to continue having a rally up, we're going to touch this orange line. And if we print a candle above this orange line, then it's likely that the price will stick to it like a magnet, just like what we saw here in the past, and just rally off of it like this, you see? And right now, this price is about 30, almost 39,000. Let me just, how do I draw the line? Is it J? Yeah, about $39,000. I don't know if I did that right. I did J. I was trying to just draw like a line across. It's ranked about $38,900, almost $39,000. So if we get a candle just above, so yeah, if we get like, you know, let's quickly come up, about a $40,000 candle, then it's likely Bitcoin could start to see an insane rally like we've never seen before, something like this, or even just as crazy as this. But yeah, time will tell. Guys, I'm going to leave it here. If you liked it, drop that like. Thank you for watching. Become a Patreon. They see these videos first. It guides them on their journey. And I'm showing them loads of different things over there. Buy, sell, stake alerts, loads of different things. They got access to all of that. And I'm just trying to guide everyone on their journey into making great money and having great success in your future. So yeah, thank you for watching. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers.